Hello once again, everybody. I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Mrs. Weezer's with me behind the camera, and you're getting your first look at the inside of our 1998 Bounder motorhome. Previous video, we showed you the outside after we had just pulled it in after having just bought it. And now you're getting to see what it's like on the inside and get an idea for some of the work that we need to do in here. It probably looks better on camera than it does in person. So if you look down at the carpet, you can see it's stained pretty bad. It will need to go. The carpet here on the doghouse engine compartment is ripped up. So we'll definitely need to redo some of the carpeting. I told you about the slide out having some problems and water damage. So some of the molding across the edges of the slide out are coming off and are warped.
Here's a close-up of some of the warping that's going on along the edge here. The carpet's kind of gross. We want it out of here as soon as possible. I don't know if you can see that, but they spilled water in here, supposedly, right before we came to look at it, and so it's sopping wet, and that's not good. Here's another section of, right there, you can see that it just needs help. All right, what else, Buck?
Well, I think the roof is pretty good, but there had been some leaks, so there's a little bit of staining on here. Not sure if that's going to come off. Not sure why this guy's hanging, but
It's missing a screw, I think.
yeah.
Let's look here. Can you flick this light down, please? Because it's shining right into the camera. All right, so you can see staining up at the roof here, dark areas. I'm not sure what we're going to do about this. Some of it's kind of gross, but we're looking forward to fixing it up. The standard dinette right here. The sofa is actually the sleeper sofa type, not the jackknife kind. And if we lift up one of these cushions, you can kind of see the mattress that's underneath there. I think it still has sheets from the previous owner. So this thing's just really been ignored for a long time, which means it's going to have issues, but the floor really feels solid, and that part's really good, that it's got a good framework. The outside's looking decent. This is the sink. I'm not sure what we're doing with all this, but other than me wanting to gut it and just redo everything. Ooh,
Well,
something's
that's the
working.
fan.
Fan's working. So as we move to the back, standard fridge. Looking forward to getting the slide out so we can see what that looks like. Painting, maybe redoing the ceiling. What else? Buck, you need more lights back there in a minute.
Yeah, we should turn on some lights back there
Okay,
and
so
give them a
Hang on.
look back there. Okay, so here we're back in the bedroom. Again, you see a little stains on the ceiling. Can you show
Yeah.
that? So they had a little water intrusion around some of these air conditioners and or vents. And certainly I want to make sure that's repaired. And then how we'll get rid of those stains, I don't know.
the bed lifts up, and there's storage space underneath. I think the bed needs to be measured and tossed, personally.
You don't like that mattress?
No.
Why? Because it's 20 years old?
No, just because it's questionable. Let's see, I think we need to show the closets. I'd love to do something, make this space a little bit more open. Maybe including giving up some of the cabinetry space, since we're not using it to actually live in.
Spot up here for the TV, I guess.
Yep. And is that the frame?
This trim piece must come
Oh, that's cool.
here in front of it.
Interesting. It looks backwards and upside down. Maybe
I
not.
think that's all we did.
Okay. All right, how about that closet? I think there's lights that come on in the closet when you open the doors. Yep, nice big closet. That's kind of cool.
Wow, look at all these hangers.
You
That's a
could
bonus.
put bunk beds in there. 2 bunks. You know, true. Lots of. That's a lot of cabinets, a lot of storage space. Do they work?
They probably do when you put bulbs in.
I'm eager to get rid of the window treatments, the mattress, the carpet, anything in here that smells good. It's
They
got
got
a strong.
speakers here too. When I turned on the radio, it
Oh,
was
came out
blaring
back.
from back
That's
here.
interesting. So the kids were bemoaning the fact that there is no back window so that they can wave to people as they drive along. So let's check out the bathroom. All right, so we're going into the bathroom. This is the hallway. Kind of takes a jog off to the left. Good, open all the way up, bud. Thanks. And so here's the vanity here. Tub. This is nothing to really write home about. Here's the tub. Needs some serious cleaning. Some more leakage around the vents in the ceiling. So we're going to have to fix that. And cabinetry and potty. All this stuff needs to be cleaned and restored and made livable again for us. Something that's got to be clean and disinfected as much as possible. And then we're going back out this way. Dinette, sofa for the slide, the front. Got a really big, nice front. Oven, more floor to take out. And we're looking forward to getting started, especially getting that carpet ripped out of here. So, what do you have to say, Buck? Anything?
That's it. Gotta get working.
All right, thanks for watching. And put your comments, questions below. And thank you.